Mengenal kita, kaitlog, as usual, pasta, lots of different kinds. It's lasagna with meat. So mengenal kita. And I also have this. Oh my goodness. It's pizza with cut. Hold on. Yeah, so anyway, this is what I got for tonight. So we got to eat now. Okay. Guys, try your beer. Okay. Let's eat now. Yeah. Guys, I'm having pizza with spinach. So look at this, how big it is. Huge. Goodness. I'm gonna try it now. Let me see. Oh, good. Healthy. It's my lasagna. What's inside? Ang sarap. Okay. Kain tayo.